Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back to Lumber Kitchen. Today's recipe for today, going to have some whole foot with broad bean. We're going to have some crushed Irish, mixed vegetables and egg and butter. And we're going to have some rice and peas with coconut juice. Right? Alright. So we're going to wash the peas. We're going to throw the coconut juice in the peas now. Add a little more water to it. You can see we have some garlic. Add some garlic to the peas. Alright, we're going to pressure the peas now. Light the stove. Alright, we're going to season up the coconut. We're going to wash it first. One more wash again with the running water. This is the way I wash my coconut. Wall it off running water, clean and pretty. This recipe for today is going to be nice. Rice and peas with coconut juice, cow foot and broad bean. I'm going to have some potato salad on the side. Crushed Irish with eggs and butter and mixed vegetables. You can see you have some scallion here. You have some onion here. You have some Irish. You have some carrot. You have some hot pepper. You have some garlic. You have some ginger. You have some Maggi all-purpose. And also we have some Maggi chicken. And also we have some browning. Alright. Stir it up. pretty and nice, delicious. And not cooking. Wow. This recipe is nice. Alright. What's your going now? It is cold food here. Going to brown up the cold food first. Add some garlic, scallion, and thyme. Hot pepper. So now brown up the coconut first. Keep some color in the oil first. Yeah. Yeah, see? Broad bean and cold food, yeah. Right. Put some salt on the rice and peas. Put the rice and the rice and the peas, no? Alright. Yeah, the cold food of pressure. I said cold food and broad bean. Recipe for today is brown stew, cold food and broad bean, rice and peas, coconut juice, Got some crushed Irish, mixed vegetable, egg, butter. So now I say, yeah. So please to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Lumberjack represent 7 times rise. I believe in that falling thing. It's a recipe I got nice, delicious. Yeah, rice and peas. Surely, Sunday, yeah, rice and peas, dinner time, you know. Remember to subscribe, you know, Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Just go up on YouTube and type in Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Cold food and bread bean, you know. Yeah, man, I simmer down. I got some crushed rice on the side, you know. Mixed vegetable and butter and egg, you know. Yeah, rice and peas. Surely down, you see. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. Crushed rice, some Irish and egg and butter and mixed vegetable. Recipe for today. Rice and peas, coconut juice, cow foot, broad bean, crushed Irish, butter and egg and mixed vegetable. Please to subscribe and like and comment and share when you watch the video. Yeah. Yeah, so the cow foot there. Well spice up with the broad bean, you know. I have some Irish and egg boiled. I got some mixed vegetable and butter. And crushed Irish, you know. Rice and peas pattern, you know. Well, surely don't remember to subscribe, you know. Type in Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack on YouTube, you know. Yeah. Please to subscribe and like and share and comment. See there? Crush Irish. I'll crush up an onion, egg in it and the butter and the Irish. Add the mixed vegetable now. Turn it like this. Yeah, dinner time and you know. Yeah, man, rice and peas. Well, shell it down, you know. Cold foot and broad bean. Hey. Yeah, dinner time, see? Yeah, man, cold foot and broad bean, rice and peas. You say shelly and pretty and nice? Yeah, it's a good look. Yeah, see, cold foot and broad bean there. Crushed Irish and mixed vegetable, egg and butter. See? Yeah, lumberjack dinner time. 7 times rice, no believe in life orange. Like I'm hungry, you know. Food delicious, eatable, you know. Yeah, this recipe is nice.